Welcome to Category Management Knowledge Group's Certified Course Preview on Category Definition and Segmentation. Category definition and segmentation both affect a retailer's market position. When retailers define a category, they identify the items that belong within the category. To segment a category, the decision tree is used to determine consumer needs. Here are the learning objectives for the fully accredited course. We'll be covering parts of the objectives, but you'll need to take the full course in order to achieve all of the learning objectives. At the end of the course, I'll give you more details about how to access the course. Category definition and segmentation is an important part of a retailer's strategies. They need to define their categories at a strategic level and then segment the categories based on what is known about the consumer. In this course, we'll review what retailers need to consider as they define and segment their categories. According to the dictionary definition, a category is a group of interrelated products. When retailers define a category, they identify the items that belong within that category. The way they define and segment a category will affect its market position. Defining categories is not as easy as it seems. Determining what items belong in what categories is a lot of work, and as categories evolve, their definitions sometimes need adjusting. How the term category is defined is essential to achieving success for the retailer. A meaningful way to achieve clarity and a shared common business language definition for category is to consider its many applications. Considerations for retailer programs, store layout, and understanding who the consumer is and how they shop the store will affect how you define different categories. Category definition is a critical piece of the retailer's overall strategy for several reasons. First, it ensures clear category definitions. Suppliers, the retailer, and data suppliers need to clearly understand the category definition. They need to be talking the same talk. In many cases, this doesn't happen. We'll review more details on aligned data in a few minutes. Strong category definitions avoid confusion for the consumer when they're shopping at the retailer. And finally, category definitions prevent isolated solutions that will only provide short-term strategies. A retailer's overall strategies need to be defined before a retailer can define their categories. These strategies directly affect the choices that are made in category definitions, and the category definitions then affect the category tactics, as well as other areas of the business. Let's review this in more detail. A category definition needs to consider the retailer's target consumer, including who they are and how they shop the category. Consumer panels, loyalty data, and market research provide retailers and suppliers with information about their target consumers. Now that we've defined what affects category definitions, let's review the effect that category definitions have on both the retailers and the supplier's overall business. First, it affects each of the tactics, including products that are carried, how the products are shelved, how the items within a category are priced, and how the categories are promoted or featured. Remember that the tactics are the key drivers of volume in categories, so having the categories properly defined is critical. We've now given you a glimpse of our certified course on category definition and segmentation. This seemingly simple task requires much thought and ongoing maintenance of the process as different categories evolve and as consumer decision trees change. There are many options for you to choose from if you're interested in purchasing this course. The online course is available for purchase through Our House, which is Category Management Knowledge Group's state-of-the-art online training center. If you'd prefer, we can also run a private webinar for up to 200 people for a cost of $3,000, or a live session at a national or team meeting. If you're from a larger organization where many people would want to access this course, We can also make the course available for your use within your own internal learning management system. Your choices are limitless. But completing the course may not be enough. The opportunity is to have a common set of courses that become a strategic foundational program based on topics that will create a consistent and aligned approach and understanding across the organization. Next, additional courses should be defined that are common within a specific department so that they increase knowledge in the topic areas most relevant to the department's responsibilities. And finally, curriculum should be refined based on the roles and responsibilities within different roles within the department. If you're looking for more than a course, we can work with you to help you set up a curriculum that achieves all 3 levels of training for your organization. We also have a pre-assessment that individuals in your team or organization can take to help us to identify the biggest areas of opportunity and also give us the ability to complete a post-assessment to measure return on investment of your training endeavors. So where do you go from here? If you're interested in purchasing the certified course or working with us to help you determine multifunctional training opportunities for your organization, that will ultimately lead to an aligned approach to category management and data analysis across your organization or team, please contact us. We don't believe in a one-size-fits-all approach and will consult with you to ensure that what we deliver meets your specific needs and business issues. We hope to hear from you soon. Have an excellent day.